Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Palmdale local and long-distance movers near me. Emerging from your comfort zone and getting ready to experience life in a new place is an eye-opening journey. But the difficulties of having to move across a long distance, either out of state or internationally, can take the thrill away from the experience. Let us take away the stress by hiring us for all of your moving needs. Our moving company in Palmdale, CA has been in logistics for over 2 decades, providing excellent customer service. We'll keep your valuables safe by packing them expertly for the long journey so you can focus on the other important things that come with moving. You would think that moving into a new home or office nearby is easy, but believe us, you'd be surprised. After all, our affordable Palmdale movers have a lot of experience moving so many happy customers. In a few short hours, we can finish packing and moving all of your things into a new space. That is much simpler and less risky than taking on all that unnecessary work yourself. You can count on us for affordable, reliable, and fast moving with great customer service. You can always get free estimates from 3 Movers if you need a local moving service. Our Palmdale, CA movers will help you any time of day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palmdale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.